Like we discussed before, we know that not everyone's had a chance to check out a freestyle show before, so we like to start off with what we call the evolution of the wheelie. Just to start off by demonstrating the most basic of all wheelies, power wheelie. It's really the first thing everybody learns when they get into the sport. It's just grab the throttle there and let the torque of that bike bring the front wheel up. Now getting much more difficult. Nick's going to show off a poster for us. He's actually pulling in the clutch. Posting along there. Jumping up to seat standard there, we'll see a lot more of the seat standard throughout the show. It's the basis for a lot of the combination moves he does. And a little more acrobatic when he gets a spreader and actually with the combination there. Alright, so that's a little bit of some of the stuff on the rear wheel. There's a lot more to freestyle than just wheelies though. One of my favorite disciplines is the endo, or what you might know of as a stoppie. Didn't you think you have enough traction to do a stoppie? Let's hope so. And here we go, getting up on that front wheel, and again showing off his precision. It's a tricky move to do anywhere, but especially on a floor like this. Right out now. Freestyle, which was acrobatics. Nick showing off with an elevator there, jumping up to the seat. Again, showing off his balance. Tricky to do anywhere, but especially in a small area like this to stop safely before the fence line. A nice hand brakes there from Nick there now. So that's a little bit of the four major disciplines. Obviously, Nick's got a lot more up his sleeve. We're going to make him really step up the difficulty and danger now, but we want to make sure we're starting to show off right. We want to know what you guys are excited to see more of. So I'm going to say wheelies, endo, or acrobatics. Whatever you guys make the most noise for, we'll start to show off with that. So who wants to start off by seeing more acrobatics? You guys are awake, I love that. Alright, I got some pretty good cheers, but who wants to see more wheelies? Alright, that takes us to one last one. And that, what did I say? We'll start with acrobatics, right? Then wheelies. Who wants to see more endos? Alright, that's the close one. I think acrobatics won though, so why don't you show off some more acrobatics ones? There we go, jumping around the switchback, he's actually sitting up on the gas tank now. Difficult because not only can he not see where he's going, but he actually has to use the left side of his body to work the controls. That's his left hand on the gas there. Next turn around, get up to speed, get back on that front wheel, show off a nice endo there right up to the fence line. Smacking his icon helmet on the railing there. Alright, Nick's telling me he's going to do another one down this side so everybody gets a chance to see what's going on. There you go. On the fence line. Alright, one of the most difficult and technical of tricks in freestyle is the circle wheelie. Nick's actually working his rear brake with that right foot there, turning that bike into a nice tight circle. Again, this takes an incredible amount of balance to pull off. That's a 350-pound bike with a 160-pound rider on it. Doing some combinations for you there. That was a flamingo. Now back up to seat standard. This is where he's using that extra rear brake lever that we told you about earlier in the show. That would be the headstand. Laying that head down on the bars there. Showing off a nice spreader for you too. Again, you can see how perfectly he has to execute in a small area like this. Still not the difficulty from a regular endo. He's actually turning what we call carving the front wheel around for 180 degrees. Right back up into a wheelie. Nice coaster to foot drag there for you. Alright, this is the Scare the MC portion of the show. Believe me, if there was anybody else out here riding, I'd be ready for the fence lines, but it truly is one of the best in the world. Again, if you look closely, he's using his left hand to work that extra rear brake lever we told you about. That was one of those stalls I told you about where he's actually completely stalling out the motor while still on the rear wheel. Alright, going in for another 180 endo. And if you guys want to check out more Nick's ride, like I said, make sure you check out XDL trying a no-handed circle set. Incredibly difficult to pull off. We can see he's got his throttle hand off. There's both hands. All right. Let's hear it for him, ladies and gentlemen. Now for the move Nick actually invented. It's his signature trick. It's called pirouette. I think you'll see why we call it that. There you go. Nick was, of course, the first one ever to pull that off in a competition. T-shirts and DVDs I mentioned, and if you're still around, please come back and see us again at